If we think about the benefits of robotics and automation at the customer, we first have to understand the drivers for robotics and automation at the customer. We have to think about, we still have less people in production. And automation can help here, robotics can help. At the end, with robotics, we can guarantee that the quality of the product is stable. So we can, at the end, really reduce waste. We can reduce energy for rework. We avoid unnecessary transportation of long manufactured goods. But we should not forget about the people, because at the end, the people are the most important part of our production. They are the brain. And at the end, they have to manage what the machines execute. Not to forget, automation is the most expensive part if it's not working. It's not only to buy automation, to buy robotics. When the automation concept that was born, that was from a system integrator or machine builder, is not working in production, then it's the most expensive. We can use robotics to move this monotonous and physical hard work to robotics, especially to cobots. Cobots are a really good example here. So there's a nice link between sustainability, the needs of the customer, the hurdles we have, and where automation and robotics can really help to solve these issues. And this is at the end the biggest benefit we can have with automation and robotics.